Business. My name is Calvin Yakundi. Now, farmers are set to receive further relief on the cost of key farm inputs as the government moves to cushion them from drought losses and encourage them to return to production. Now, in a statement by the Ministry of Agriculture, the government is cutting the cost of farm inputs further, with fertilizer and certified maize seed now attracting deeper subsidies. A 50 kg bag of fertilizer, which cost about 7,500 shillings in 2022, has been reduced from the previous subsidized price of 2,500 shillings to 2,000 shillings, which is a 73% reduction since 2022. Now we're moving on to the next one, where we're looking at the certified maize seed. The government is covering half the cost, bringing the farmer's price down to 150 shillings per kilogram. This means a 2 kg pack will cost 300 shillings from 600 shillings. Then a 10 kilogram pack 1,500 shillings, while a 25 kg pack will retail at 3,750 shillings from 7,000 shillings. Now we move on. Kenya